Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sam and this is Adulting Education. Thanks for bearing with me in the late post, but life does happen, and with everything going on, life definitely did happen, and you do what you do. So in this episode, we are going to be working on a newish, or new to me, refrigerator. It's a Whirlpool cheese and rice. Whirlpool Conquest. There we go. I could say it. My old refrigerator had completely taken a pee all over my floor multiple times. It was probably a condensate line or something, blah blah, I don't know. I found this one on Facebook and it was much better than the one that I already had. Mine was kind of small with the freezer on top and the fridge on the bottom, and this one was a side-by-side. I kind of just wanted more access to freezer stuff. I do have a huge, you know, standing freezer, which if you listen, that humming is it. It's probably 10 feet from this camera. But you know, you kind of just want stuff right there. Anyways, that's too much talk about my freezer issues. I had some friends and family go pick it up for me, and when they brought it back, it made this horrible sound. Want to hear it? So I was thinking maybe, you know, it might just go away if I just let it run for a while, and I kind of did that for as long as I could tolerate, and the sound just was not going away. So then I decided to take it apart, found out it was the evaporative fan motor. What the hell is it about with me and evaporative blah blahs? Anybody else noticing that there's a lot of broken stuff around me? But it's alright, we gonna fix it. So I ordered a part on Amazon after I found what the part was from Whirlpool, and Amazon is my best friend, got the piece, and let's install it. Alright, let's use a mystery tool in this bag to open this up, like a putty knife. There we go. Thanks, little ghost. Alright. Let's see. This is the piece. This is the piece.
I teleports.
Yes, Mom, I can helps.
And the bag of screw thingies. Okay.
I teleports.
Thanks, little ghost. Thanks, little ghost. Alright, let's see what we got here. Bullseye. Hi, I love you. Move your butt. They're all coming. They're all coming. They all want to know what I'm doing down here. All of them. Here comes Simba. This doesn't have one of these things. Alright. Alright. I took 8 hours to clean that fucking fridge because it was disgusting inside. 8 hours to clean a fridge. The fridge, the freezer, the racks, the inside. Obviously not under here. It's not clean under here. It's just not. It's pretty dirty. It's pretty dirty. Alright, so this is the piece right there. Okay, let's get rid of this thing. Oops, that's broken. Not bad. Okay. Yeah, okay, I think that's the same. Yeah, let's salvage that. Let's get this shit out. I get 2 screws. Screw bolts. Those are my box. Okay. Do I not even need to take this out because that might make me cry a little bit. Okay, let me get these. I literally did not have to take all the other shit out. Okay, oops. Put all those back. Okay, got the stupid piece out. Extra thingies. I probably should clean that in a variety of ways, but it's just not going to happen right now. I am just going to replace the evap motor. feel like this is just not the right way to go about this, but it is the way I'm gonna go about it. Okay. Oh, all right, this works. Gotta take this blade off. There we go. Oops. Okay. It actually looks a little bit different than the other one. Okay, I'm just going to take it apart real quick. Okay. Jeez, those are freaking humongous. Man, this looks old. All right. Hey, baby, what are you getting? Yeah, cleaning definitely in the very near future. I just don't have time for that shit right now. Okay. Gross. Whoa. Alright, so there's this, and then this thing was on the back of it. So this must mount like that. Because otherwise, there was this plate on there. And this appeared to be a size plate for that. Man, this must be very old. I have no idea. So I don't need this piece, I'm very much assuming. And then they have 3 long pieces here, which must be for this crap. I hope it works. Dun, dun, dun. Wait. Oh, look, I can even stick it in there. Like, whoops, backwards. Nope, can't go that way. Okay. Okay, I need it to come out this way. So I could just, yeah, I'll flip that. Oh, I'm so smart! And then there, look. My little wire thing will go through there. That's enough clearance. Yeah. And then I don't think it matters which direction it would be fine. Alright, I've got this. Screws and crap. Screws and crap. Let's put them on the floor so they don't get lost. Don't get lost. And let's flip my little thingy. And let's match up the holes and put them in the holes. Ooh, that's so tight. It's so tight. That's what she said. Marley. Okay, I'm assuming I don't have to do anything else because there's not like other things to this. So let's keep going in there. I am making this thing look filthy by this really filthy thing that I'm attaching it to. But like I said, something for another day. Alright, put in that one, and that one. And then this is here, and then there's the little dingleberry. Gross. Alright, Let me touch my face. Okay, and then I think I just shove this on there. I'm assuming it goes this way. Which way did people put it? Just so it has space. Okay, internet, can't try the internet. Get this shit out. Okay, so first of all, I did not need to take all this shit out, so I gotta put all those back. And that goes here. Man, this is seriously just disgusting looking. Okay, I found it. Stupid things in. Alright. How far do I fucking shove that thing on? I'm scared that's gonna fly off. Don't fly off. Oh! I didn't plug it in! I didn't plug it in! I did something. It's not plugged in. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Oops. Okay. In she goes. That's in as far as I can get that thing in. It really feels like it's just sticking out just a little bit too much. Tap it in. Probably a nightmare for people. Okay. I did it! Alright, let's pack her up. I did it! Bitches! I'm so proud of myself right now. Alright, I'm gonna cover this bitch up. What? I don't think these have houses for, I don't know what's happening there. That, I don't know what's happening there. We're just gonna leave it. That's just been ripped the fuck off. Oops, oops. Oops. Okay. We've got two. Good enough for me. Alright. I'm gonna let this shit get cuddled. And fill her up with my food. Thanks for watching. And there you, can you see that? There's a cat hair, I'm pretty sure, just floating across the screen. Just floating right in front of me. I don't see any more. There's one right over here by my sewing machine. But she's sleeping. Puffy. Yeah, she's out. And so there you have it. It's been cooling ever since. I have nice filtered water because it has a water filter, so I replaced all of that stuff, which I didn't record. I just wanted nice, clean, cold water instead of having to go buy it, because the hard water here in my neighborhood is pretty bad. You could probably let some tap water settle and you'd probably see an inch of calcium on the bottom. I'm exaggerating. Or am I? We don't know. But anywho, it doesn't taste like dirt. Well, I've had some complaints, but whatever, it's my water. And my fridge that I cleaned and did stuff to. And yeah. Thank you for helping me, my friends, who helped me. So remember, take care, be kind, and I'll see you with the next life lesson in adulting. Bye! When will this be over? COVID!